Hello everyone, my name is Dan. I am in the process of doing an all-grain brew of a Belgian triple. What you see here in front of you on the left is my mash tun, on the right is my boil kettle. At this point I have all of my barley in the mash tun. As you can see, it's been in there for about 20 minutes now. It's going to stay in there for about another hour and a half, 2 hours. Currently, it is holding a temperature of 147 degrees, which I like to keep it around 145. This is going to be a 7.5 gallon batch of Belgian triple. Once I move it over to the boil kettle, I'll be resuming this video. Okay, we're now to the sparging process. What I've done is I've filled this container up with 8 gallons of water, brought it to 170 degrees. This, by the way, is my fermenter. I'm pumping the water through the pump around the back into the first container, which is the mash tun, into this sparge arm, which, as you can see, is spinning around, sprinkling water down onto my grains. And as it's doing that, I'm extracting the sugar water from the grains, which is what I will be using to boil and ferment to make beer. Once we get to the boiling process, we'll continue this video. Okay, and here we are at the boiling process. I've collected 10.5 gallons, and we are currently bringing it to a boil, at which point I'll be adding my hops, letting it boil for about an hour and 15 minutes. Then I'll add a little bit more hops for aroma and some Irish moss to help coagulate everything at the bottom so that I don't get as much junk in my fermenter when I run it through the chiller. And that'll be the next process in the next video. Okay, we're on the final step. I'm pumping the beer from my brew kettle through my pump, up through my counterflow chiller, and down into my fermenter. And now for the good part, where we actually make the beer. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a good time. I almost forgot. I'm sure most of you are curious as to what the starting gravity is on this beer. So here I have a sample. We are at 1.090, which is a nice high start for my Belgian triple. Hopefully it ferments down to, I'd like to get it down to around 15 or 10, but we'll see what happens. Thanks. Have a good day.